Hey guys, happy new year and welcome to 2025. It's glad to have you guys with me again. And thank you for the support and love you guys showed me 2024. I hope we can do more and better this new year. So today I'm going to be doing a top-down analysis. This is the XY. So I'm just going to be analyzing, I think, three or four pairs, which is the XY, Gbpusd, Xauusd, and the BTUSD F1005. So currently what I'm seeing here, or what I've been seeing here from the overall trend, can tell you the market has been pretty bullish from right here. So that's going far back in price. Let's just see what price has done lately. So if I should take price from here, say that, okay, fiat market weak into this place, this fair value gap here, then we'll start seeing buying up, broke the structure here. Find support from this fair value gap to keep buying high. Now it has swept out this liquidity. Where will it be heading to next? If you go to the left side to see what we also have in there, you see we have various strong liquidity here. This is the fair value gap or inefficiency, anyone you want to call it, which price may likely draw into next. And we also have this pretty order block here. Price may also draw. And this triple top. This is also a form of liquidity. Price may likely come take this out here, which is like a form of liquidity as well. So let's just see. So everything. So now guys. And we also have this fair value gap here. I think price is currently here. We have this fair value gap. This fair value gap, which price is currently here at. And this order block. But I will tell you that this if price was to like respect any other block, price may likely not respect this because this is like a structural liquidity. If yeah, this is like a structural liquidity. We might see price finding balance inside this overall or the premium fair value gap because it's allowed with the overall structure here. So my see price finding balance. If price fails to find balance inside here, then we'll be looking for price to take out this triple top. But for now, we're looking for price to reach into this inefficiency we have around here. So currently price is reaching out to this. And we'll just see how price will play. So whatever is going to happen here, let me just break it down for you. You see how everything is playing out here. The way we know what if price is likely to respect his zone. Like if I see, let me show you something now. You see inside this fair value gap now as price come back to here. How I will know, okay, if price was about to respect it, I'll go to the 1 hour. That's based on our trade. I'm just telling you, I'll go to the 1 hour. Watch if price, watch how price reacts from that 1 hour. If price give me a buy model there from the 1 hour, then I can take my entry from the 5 minutes because that's how I normally do trade. Since it has already given me a buy model on the 1 hour, when it reached my zone pure, I strip down to the 5 minute to look for exact same structural model to take my entry again. So let me just see if that's something. Yes, so I can show you. So this was when price reached into this what's it called? The fair value gap. So price dropped back into here, taking out liquidity and breaking structure here. See, it broke the structure. This intermediate high here. I don't know if you're seeing it. See this intermediate high. Yeah, that first of all feed inefficiency and got violated. See how price broke past it with this big candle here. And then it's left fair value gap order block as well. So price reaching back into here anticipated to take our buys from here, either from the 5 minutes. If it was to be tradable, though this is the DXY, we don't normally trade the DXY, we use it as analysis. So when I see price coming here, you can also, what you're doing here, you can replicate it in other pairs. Yeah, so I'm just showing you an example. So when price comes back into here, I look to take my entry from here. Strip down to 5 minutes for to get a higher reach reward, stuff like that. Then take my buys. You can also see price left this fair value gap here again. This other block after a block structure. See, was not storing liquidity. Swap the liquidity, feed this fair value gap, block structure, boom, boom. See, it's just that simple. So if what am I trying to say now is that when price when I see a POI on the daily, which is the higher time frame, I wait for the 1 hour to move like or to show same signal as the daily is showing. If the daily is telling me that it's bullish, it's going to buy. I wait for the 1 hour to start showing me that same buy signal before I take any buy on the lower time frame, or else there is no trade for me. So hope this pretty much clears everything out. So on the DXY, based on how I analyze, I'm seeing everything currently. We all know that now we are bullish overall. We have a POI market is likely to reach out to. Currently, we are inside this first daily fair value gap or inefficiency, and we also have other inefficiencies around here. So that's it for it, guys. So let's go to Gbpusd to see what's also going on there. First, now we have to clean this chart of everything. So this Gbpusd is the one. Let me go to the daily. Sorry. So this is the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame here, if I should take something like this, so you see, I take it from this low to here, from that high to this low. Okay. So what I'm seeing currently here is that price feed this fair value gap and then it dropped down. It hasn't taken out this liquidity here, and price has been pretty much bearish overall. See it feed this fair value gap, dropped, then came back again, created another inefficiency. Yeah, see it dropped again. So now currently really add this order block. I like seeing order block in line with fair value gap. So currently what I'm just looking is to see if price we take out this low and then form another block for us to continue the sell downward possibly, because you already know that TXY is bullish. So we will not be looking for any buy on JPUS. We'll be looking for sell rather. So hope you get me right. So now what I'm seeing here on this JPUSD as well, you can see this liquidity, structural liquidity as well, which price may likely come take out. And we have this fair value gap right here. The price may find support inside. See how everything is darkening. And we also have this old low, old swing low. It's also a liquidity. But for now, it's w- it all depends on if this fair value gap and order block here did not if it's old price, then likely market may not come to take out this low. But we don't know yet. That's just it. I don't want to be giving you high hopes or guarantee then others should now go and be taking the trade bye from here. Based on how I showed you on the DXY, if you have a POI here and it's showing you a buy signal or a buy analysis, you wait for the 1 hour. Based on how I trade, I'm telling you this, I wait for the 1 hour to reciprocate that same stuff that is showing here. So each and every time frame would be in tone, like they'll be in the same, like in the same line of action thing. I then look forward to take my trade. That's how I just do it. So now you understand what I'm saying. We're looking for price to take out this liquidity, which are resting below here, then see how price gets inside this fair value gap here. But first, you have to know that we are overall bearish based on what I'm seeing and what I'm thinking. What I'm thinking is just what I'm seeing currently. That's what I'm marking out for you guys to see. So this our liquidity. Let me just mark it out. Liquidity, liquidity. So if you are to ask me if this zone you I have I think I would say I have should I say high hopes on this that it will hold because is accompanied by liquidity right here. We have several liquidities that price would likely take out before coming to find balance here. So I may say it may likely hold, but we still have to wait for confirmations to see. Because we don't control the markets. We just react to it. It's on how it works. If price fade to do whatever stuff, we react the opposite to it. That's just it. So now we've seen how price is reacting. So when price comes back here, we see how it goes. It's if it fails to hold, then take out this low. Then we start looking for um other stuff down there. But for now, let's just focus on now what's currently happening around here. I don't want to go far back in time or price action to keep showing you what has been happening for years. I'm showing you what is happening now. Yeah, so I don't want to make this video too long. So this is that for the JPUSD. So let me go to God. Said I was still going to analyze God. Say USD. So wait, let me use on the XAUSD. Oh, sorry, USD. I'm not don't want to make the video too long. So I'll just take out this stuff, clean all these price actions out. So start afresh. So since clean charts, so let me show you based on what I'm seeing currently. It's been long I really analyzed this pair. And now let's see. It's the daily. Okay. So from here, what am I seeing? I should mark out price from here. From this higher. See that price took out this high. Yeah. Took out this high. And but if you look overall, I think we've been kind of bullish, but currently we've been having some sort of like corrections from this trend. So we have to follow the trend. We have this fair value gap here, which price hasn't yet filled. Price will likely come back here to find balance. And currently, if we check after price created this fair value gap, we had this deep drop down here, taking out the structural low here, which serves as liquidity for it to push back up, tap on this fair value gap, then we start seeing this push back up here, tap on this fair value gap, structural low again, then it retraced, swept this fair value gap. This. So now currently we're expecting price to like push up to either take out this high, this high that will be selling like on liquidity here to also have if price was like we know that price currently here now we are seeing price like being bullish here based on what I'm seeing, but not that it's being bullish, but on it now, like what I'm currently seeing now is that price is trying to like buy up to reach out to this inefficiency here. When price comes here, we see how price reacts from this fair value gap here. And if the fair value gap fades to hold price, we might see price taking out this old high, which is like a liquidity. And also have this other block here, this equal highs as well, which may serve as liquidity for price to find balance inside this inefficiency as well. So whichever one, we just wait. When price comes either here or here, we go to the 1 hour to see how price forms, how it reacts from those zones. That's how we take our entry. So if I should check on how price reacted from this zone, let me see. Let me see. Yeah, yeah. So See, after price take out this liquidity, started having this push back up here. Feel this fair value, I drop down and take out this high. Also now as liquidity, if I was to take a entry from the zone. And then we have this mini fair value gap here as well, and an order block. First, like take our entries from, see price came back here, how it reacted from it. Pretty much very simple. Understand it. See how it's moving currently. Still moving. Structure, call it fair value gap. See, it's just repetition of everything. So hope you guys understand though. That's just what I'm currently saying on each pairs. So you just wait for confirmation to see how price reacts from those ones which I marked out as what way. Then that we know that if we are going to be selling or if it's going to be buying as what we determine it. Uh, Thank you guys again. Oh, it's nice to see you guys again. This should be the end of the video. Glad I could share this with you guys. If you also have any suggestion or anything, please just let me know in the comment section. Bye.